So TAO just recently had a crazy crash, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at why that happened and what we could see upcoming in the future. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at TAO right now. Weekly it's down about 10%. We could see it's actually down more. If we look at the crazy spike, it was probably like 15-20%, right? Probably even more. But it has come back up slightly. It dropped from $337 all the way to 254, which is absolutely crazy, right? A huge drop within just a couple hours, right? And this was in the evening to the morning, like early morning, right? So if we take a look at why this happened, even on CoinMarketCap, you could probably see that Covenant AI, builder of Covenant 72B, left BitTensor. So it's basically alleging the network. A lot of things happened behind the scenes. So let's take a look at the official article by Covenant AI. So this is it right here. Statement for Covenant AI. Covenant AI built this simple conviction: the training of frontier AI models should not be controlled by any single entity, right? Over the past 2 years, our team has delivered that vision. Covenant 72B is a 72 billion parameter model trained permissionlessly across 70 plus independent contributors. So if we look at recent stuff posted by Jesus Martinez, big drama unfolding right now on TAO. Covenant AI, owner of SN3 and all these, has announced that they're leaving BitTensor. They accused accusation against Kornst Reborn, BitTensor's founder, right? Suspended admission on Covenant subnets, stripped their moderation rights, unilaterally depreciated their subnet infrastructure, and a lot more. So there's a lot going on behind the scenes. In two clips, Sam sold 37,000 worth 10 million in just this clip, which is absolutely crazy, right? And here's also a reply back from BitTensor's founder. Some of the points in the article: I suspended emissions on the subnet. I do not have the ability to suspend emissions. So basically he's denying the allegations on each of these points. So again, there's a lot of back and forth going right now, but that is the main reason why there's a big price drop happening with BitTensor, right? Market cap under $3 billion right now, 2.95, right? Volume has also dropped a lot, 63% down from yesterday. But if we take a look at the charts it's forming, we can see it's also officially completed the inverse head and shoulders pattern we pointed out in the stream. It's people are saying, meanwhile, well, this is what the chart looks like, send it back to this unmatched state. So a lot of people are actually still bullish on TAO, and most of the blame is going on Covenant, why they back out, whatever these allegations are, and people are supporting BitTensor more. We could see TAO long trade, people are taking entries, some people are saying to short, some people are saying to up, but mostly it's basically a sign that TAO will be going back up. We could see holding strong. There's a long setup. It's will be above $300 after the weekend. Everyone forget what happened, right? There's just an opportunity to stack more. That's what people are saying right now. Now this huge crash obviously wasn't organic because it was led because of the news, but overall it's still holding pretty strong, right? It's slowly moving back up. People are saying it's going to be back up before the after the weekend actually, and we could see it forming patterns right now as well. We could see this inverse head and shoulder pattern that it's currently creating, so most likely it can be back up very soon. So again, nothing to worry about. A lot of things happening in the back end, right? We saw them responding as well to these allegations. If we look at what TAO is doing on the yearly, we can see it's making a head and shoulders pattern right here. So hopefully it will be back up very shortly, and we will see even crazier numbers. So the next price will be above 400 is what it's looking like based on this head and shoulders. And again, it also depends on what the people's reaction on this news is. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at TAO, why it's down like crazy right now, and again, what's going to be coming up. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about TAO, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.